Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Here we are again, back with another drastic hair video. I am so tired of this 4C hair, but I will get to telling you why later. But now I want to show you how I pre-poo my hair and do a cleansing mask. So first, I section off my hair. This is after a week-old twist out. I normally leave my twist in for about 2 weeks, and then I'll take the twist out and wear the twist out for another week. So that's 3 weeks of no manipulation with my hair. So I try to stay out of my hair. So I'll do my twist and leave them in for 2 weeks and then take them out as a twist up for another week. So yeah, you're gonna section off your hair first. 2 in the back, 1 on the other side, and then you have the one that I'm working on now, and then you will split that section in half. Then you're going to take your oil that you prefer, but I prefer the extra virgin olive oil. I got this from my local Whole Foods store. I don't remember how much it cost, and I really can't believe I really tried to pour this whole bottle of oil on my hair like that. So I'm just going to use a old wild hair growth bottle. I have like 4 applicators that I just keep just to use for things like this. So you're just going to pour as much that you believe you need for your hair. Since my hair has been really dry lately with my twist out and the weather, the cold weather from where I'm from, that did make my hair a little bit dry. So I'm just pouring a bunch of oil all over my hair strands, especially the ends, because those are my oldest hair. The oldest hair of my hair. I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. The oldest hair on my hair. The oldest part of my hair. So then you're just gonna lightly finger detangle and go through each section and just feel for where you believe you need more oil, and just gonna keep doing this until you feel like you've done enough detangling. So now I'm gonna take my Denman brush that I got from my local beauty store, and I'm just gonna detangle some more, get some of the tangles out that I couldn't get with my fingers. So you're just gonna do that a few times, and then after you detangle all the way, I'm just gonna do a 2-strand twist just to hold that section together.
Wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor.
So I finished my whole pre-poo process. So this is how my section looks. After you finish your sections, you are going to use a shower cap or for a plastic bag for my situation, and just wear this overnight. It doesn't do any harm on my end. I haven't witnessed it doing any harm with my hair, keeping it in overnight. Some people do it for hours, some people only do it for a couple minutes, but I like to do it overnight so I know that my hair is moisturized. It has all the oils and moisture that it needs for when I cleanse my hair the next day. So it's the next day, and I'm using my Aussie Moist shampoo in my wild hair growth bottle again. So I'm just going section by section and adding the shampoo. This process takes a while because the shampoo is really thick and the hole wasn't that big. But I just pour the shampoo all over, and I use my fingertips and not my nails to make sure I cleanse my scalp really good.
down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay.
After I washed my hair, I really got tired, so I decided to wait and record the rest later. So this is the back part of my hair that I did. I didn't want to take you guys through the whole process because it's really long. So I'm just showing you how my curls look as of now with the Aztec Healing Clay and vinegar mixed together. I'm using aloe vera juice to re-wet my hair because after my hair sat there for a while, it did get dry, and you'll want to make sure that your hair is a little bit wet to apply the mixture because it won't work as it should. So I sprayed my hair with the aloe vera juice just to add more moisture, more wetness to it before applying the Aztec Healing Clay. As you can see, you want to put a generous amount on your hair so it can work through and define your curls. I also forgot to mention that you want to make sure that you massage your scalp with the mask as well to clarify and cleanse your scalp, because your scalp also can be built up, and that probably is, why you may not be receiving any, results with hair growth or anything like that. So these are the final results of how my hair turned out with the mask. I hope this video was helpful. I will insert a clip at the end of the video to show you how my curls turned out when I washed all the product out. Please comment, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.
It's a night to stay up late. Things we have to